Designed for the 3M Aqua-Pure Whole House Sanitary Quick Change Water Filter System AP903. Easy to replace, Sanitary Quick Change, SQC. Design allows for fast and easy changeouts of this filter without having to contact the filter media or the need for a filter wrench. Clearly great water, this whole house water filter reduces sediment as well as chlorine taste and odor. 100,000 gallon capacity. Replacement cartridge has an activated carbon filter with nominal heavy-duty particulate reduction rating of 5 microns and a 100,000 gallon capacity at high flow rates of 10 GPM and even at intermittent peak flow rates of 20 GPM. NSF Standard 42 certified to reduce sediment by one of the world's most respected independent certification organizations that helps protect the world's food, water, consumer product and environment.Included components. Water filter cartridge. Whole house water filter systems are great solutions to help protect your pipes and appliances from sediment buildup and chlorine, as well as offering you great tasting drinking water from anywhere in the home. 3M Aqua-Pure Whole House Sanitary Quick Change Replacement Water Filter AP917HD is designed for the 3M Aqua-Pure AP903 Whole House Sanitary Quick Change Water Filter System. The AP917HD contains filter media that reduce sediment, chlorine taste and odor. It improves water quality and taste while supplying cleaner, clearer water to every water source point in the house. The innovative Sanitary Quick Change, SQC, design, an industry first for this application, allows for fast and easy cartridge changeouts without having to contact the filter media or the need for a filter wrench. Tested and verified by manufacturer's laboratory. Replace every 12 months, at 100,000 gallons of use, or sooner if a noticeable reduction in flow occurs. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome water filter, awesome price. So far so excellent. I installed a huge system on my condo in the city about 14 years ago and love it, but it was far too big for the space I have at my home in the burbs. After tons of research, I came to this, the Aqua-Pure AP903, and hoped it would be as great as everyone said it would be. It installed in about 5 hours, that was with time to buy all of the parts, and we had a crazy small spot to put it, so it was way more complicated than the average install. We got it going without any leaks, and after flushing the first 10 gallons through or so, I was in heaven. I would actually drive into the city just to shower when we moved to the burbs. I had forgotten how Chicago water is the best filtered, but it is loaded with chlorine. Every time I turned on the shower, it was like jumping into the public pool. Now, mind you, I was in my condo for 13 years with a whole house water purification system and was spoiled rotten from it. Our skin was itchy and dry and I hated it. All the proof I needed was when my husband came out of his first shower and said it was the best shower he took in over a year. That was when we permanently moved to the burbs. This from the guy who thought I was overreacting to the chlorine and thought the water purifier was excessive. Lol. We are both very happy and no longer dry, and the drives into the city just for showers are over. Now, to see how the filter holds up. I did see people complaining of it not lasting a full year. There are only 2 of us here and I am saving my water bills. I also installed 2 water pressure gauges, one before and one after the system, so I can physically see when I am starting to lose pressure. With Chicago having the best water filtration system in the country, at least, I think it is the world, I have high expectations that it should last the 12 months without any issues. I will do an update for sure.